Hello everyone, warm welcome from Aussie's group. I'm Vivek, your Hindi CCL coach, and in today's video we'll be doing a mock test and we'll be telling you about the things that you should be keeping in mind while giving your CCL examination. Now, like we've already discussed in our previous videos, in the CCL examination you don't actually get marks for saying the right thing. Instead, you save your marks when you say the right thing because it is assessed using a deductive marking system, and hence accuracy is the key. So let's get started with the mock test.
नमस्ते मिस जोन्स, टेलीफोन पर मुझे आपका संदेश मिला था कि मैं आपसे संपर्क करूं। क्या आप बता सकती हैं कि क्या बात है? बहुत दिनों के बाद आपके ऑफिस ने मुझे याद किया है।
Hello Miss Jones, I received your message on my phone that I should call you. Correction, I should contact you. What is the matter? Your office thought of me after many days?
Now, a lot of students, when they start preparing for their CCL examination, they get this habit of perfecting their sentences, and they do so by saying correction a lot in all of their segments. Now, this comes at a cost of losing your flow and your rhythm. When you say correction a lot, you might perfect the former part of your sentence, but you'll end up forgetting what the latter part is, and this will lead to addition and omission, which is a major mistake. Apart from this, in this mock, we could see that the candidate had a major flaw in the sentence structure. Now, sometimes, even if you've got the right vocabulary and you have all the right information in your segment, but if your sentence structure is incorrect, your sentence will not make sense and you will lose all your marks.
Hello Miss Jones, I received your message on the phone to contact you. Could you tell me what the matter is? Your office contacted me after many days.
If you have any more questions regarding the CCL examination, please feel free to leave your questions in the comment section below. Aussies provides both online and face-to-face coaching at our Melbourne CBD Centre. For more information, please visit our website, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.